What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. Today we're going to be having a look at this. This is the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. The first one came out, probably wasn't in the same box, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the first one, like I said, came out. I didn't know nothing about it because obviously I wasn't doing YouTube at the time, but now I'm doing YouTube. I need my shots to be steady, crisp, and I don't want no shake. Are you gonna enjoy a video with a little shake? No, not really, but yeah, we're gonna crack this open, see what's in it, and yeah, hopefully this is gonna make my video quality so much better for you guys. But anyway, without further ado, let's crack the box open, like I've said twice now. But yeah guys, let's have a look at what's in the box. So yeah, let's crack the box open. Let's see what's in it. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour around the box. So as you can see, we have the nicely displayed box. The box is very, very nice, I'll tell you that now. Picture of it at the top, on the front, and then got the logo back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then we'll just have a few IME number and a few more details about the product we don't really want to know because we're not here for that. Got some more branded stuff on the side, and then we've got a big landscape picture of the gizmo in action over there. And then that's pretty much what's in the box. So let's crack it open and see. Okay, first of all, we've got a quick startup guide and warranty and stuff like that. Yeah, quick startup guide tells you about how to use the product, how to charge it, stuff like that. Nothing, we don't really want this. This is what we want to see. Just slide this out. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. So let's just put that to the side. So anyway, it comes in this nice protected casing. Like you say, it's just polystyrene, hard polystyrene. So if I was to drop it, wouldn't really harm it. So it's a nice carrying case in case you want to go traveling. Just shove it in your bag, and yeah, that's it. So let's open it. Wow. You can see you get presented with a nice DJI OSMO Mobile 2 right there. You get some silica gel that we don't need. And then yeah, in the box we have, let me show you what's in the box. We just have the charger over here, a USB cable, and the USB cable to go into the computer to charge the gimbal up. And there's the gimbal, and there's nothing else in the box, just empty box. So let's put this back in. Don't need that. So this is it here. Looks pretty nifty, very nice. It does feel really cheap. I'm not gonna lie to you, it feels really cheap, but it's made out of plastic. Let's just have a look around the product. So here we have the zoom up and down, zoom in, zoom out, whatever. And then this is how you control the actual gimbal when your phone is actually sitting on it. You just move that about to control it. And then that's the switch, that's the on button right there, the mode button as well. And then that there's for the app. If you download the app on the phone, you can click that to start recording, or you can either click it to take a picture if you would like. And then just a few knobs here just to adjust your phone and stuff like that if you're about to put your phone inside. And then around the bottom you can see in there you can screw on a tripod, screw on it. And back here we just have the port. That's not to charge it, that's just to charge your phone, because this actually holds quite a lot of battery. I think it's 2 hours charge, and you're getting about 15 hours of actual use time on this. So you can actually charge your phone as you're actually using it, in case you're doing a time lapse or anything like that. And then on the side here is just the charging port to actually charge the gimbal when it dies or whatever. Anyway guys, I'll be doing a review on this. I'll be testing it out for you guys. I'll put it all in that review video for you guys. And yeah, I just want to give a big shout out to every single one on my YouTube channel that has been subscribing, been liking, been viewing, been commenting. One of my videos about the JBL Flip 4 got about 200,000 and plus views on it, which is flipping amazing. It's got 1k like, 1.9k likes on there, and 260 something comments on it. It's amazing. So much support from you guys. I really love it. Encourages me to make this video for you guys, and to know that you guys actually enjoy my video. So, but anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Also press that bell icon beside the subscribe button so you know when I upload my videos and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.